Then falling back to the second method, which is using the list comprehension filter and the lambda. Same goes for the initialization. And over here we have some nested for loops and the list comprehension over here. And in over here you can see a filter function. So what a filter function does is, it consists of the two parameters. First is to the function and second is the sequence. In this we have used the lambda, so we don't need to write a new function for it. So what it does is, for every element over here under the filter, according to the lambda, which is given is equals to j of the order. That means according to every order over here in the sequence, that is our list, the for every j in the our order, which is a specific order which we have mentioned over here, we have another loop that is for I. So it's gonna take those values from the filter, and then if it gets in the condition over here lambda, which is given is equals to j in our sequence, which is a list 1, then it's going to store that value I in our another new list, which is list number 2, and after that we are going to have an output over here. As you can see which we have an order 423965, which is similar over here as we have sorted.